McDonald's signature sauce. Now, does that make any sense? Because McDonald's has always been known for their Big Mac sauce. Well, they decided to call this chicken dipping sauce their signature sauce. But the good news is, on this video, we're going to show you how to make an exact copy of it at home.
We'll begin with 1/2 cup of mayonnaise in a bowl, and we will add some ketchup and mustard. Next, we will add 2 teaspoons of sugar. And by the way, folks, you do not need to write these ingredients down because we will display them coming up on your screen. The next ingredient is paprika. We'll add paprika for color and flavor. Then we want to add some lemon juice. Next, you want to add some plain white distilled vinegar. Now we want to add some garlic powder. Make sure you use garlic powder and not garlic salt. All that's left to do now is mix it up, and let's have a taste.
Absolutely identical. If you follow the direction exactly, this will be absolutely identical.
Well, there you go, folks. Now you can make delicious McDonald's signature sauce at home. And if you'd like to help us grow our YouTube channel, please share this video with your friends on Facebook. Thanks for watching.